The RugOne Xsnap 7 Pro is without a doubt the most innovative rugged smartphone of 2026. But you know what? I'm just going to straight up pause and tell you guys that this device is still not available yet. Although it's not a concept, it is an actual device, but it's not available and the brand still hasn't revealed the official launch date yet. So what we can do at this point is anticipate. But that doesn't change the fact that this is still one of the most unique rugged phones of 2026. And what actually makes this rugged phone unique is the thumb-sized magnetic action camera module that can be removed from the phone and used as a wearable or mounted camera for hands-free recording. It shoots 4K video while the phone acts as a wireless viewfinder and processing hub, giving users a unique smartphone and action camera experience in one device. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 5G chip paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. According to the details, the device will ship with the Android 16, which means that we may actually end up seeing the device before the end of June, because if after the end of June this device isn't released, then it's most likely going to ship with the Android 17. In the camera departments, you get in the 50MP main sensor with OIS support and a 64MP night vision camera for low light and outdoor adventures. The device packs a massive 9000 mAh battery, and for display you get in a 6.67 inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone is also rated IP68 and IP69K. You know, it's a rugged phone, so it's designed to be very durable. So as for pricing, well, we shouldn't even talk about that for now because there is no official release date yet. And as I said earlier, all we can do at this point is anticipate, but we will get to see this device before the end of the year. Most likely it's coming very soon. And in fact, RugOne also made mention that the MediaTek Xsnap ecosystem is expected to support additional modules, including thermal imaging cameras and optical zoom attachments, potentially transforming this rugged phone into a true modular device. We will see the device before the end of the year, and yes, it is gonna be one of the best smartphones of 2026, and yeah, it is still the most unique and the most innovative rugged phone of 2026. So that's it for the video. Feel free to share your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.